Ever wondered how the current state of the cryptocurrency and stock markets could impact your investments? As savvy investors, it's crucial we stay informed about the trends shaping these markets. From the bustling realm of digital currencies, where Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and 7 other cryptocurrencies are making waves, to the traditional stock markets like Nasdaq, gold, Dow Jones, and CAC 40, the financial landscape is teeming with opportunities and risks. Bitcoin price hits back $633 and $580, Ethereum $3,122, Solana $146, gold $2310. But here's the catch: these markets don't operate in isolation. They're influenced by a multitude of factors, and one of the major players in this game is the Federal Reserve. Their decisions can send ripples across both crypto and stock markets, affecting your investment strategy in ways you might not expect. So, how have these markets performed over the past week? And more importantly, what can we learn from their movements? Stay tuned as we delve into the performance of these markets over the past week. Firstly, let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency. Over the past week, the crypto market has proven once again to be a thrilling roller coaster ride, with the top 10 cryptocurrencies showcasing some significant changes. Starting with Bitcoin, the undeniable king of cryptocurrencies, it has maintained its dominance at 53.32%. The major player has seen some fluctuations, but remains a solid choice for many investors. Ethereum, on the other hand, has gained traction, highlighting the growing interest in altcoins and the potential of smart contracts. Now let's turn our attention to BNB and Solana, which have been making waves in the market. BNB, underpinned by the Binance exchange, and Solana, a rising star in the DeFi sector, have both demonstrated robust performance, reflecting the growing adoption of decentralized finance. Tether and USDC, the giants of stablecoins, have maintained their positions, underscoring the need for stability in the volatile crypto market. XRP and Dogecoin, despite their controversy and meme status respectively, have managed to stay in the top 10, proving that sentiment and community support can indeed move markets. Finally, we have Cardano and Toncoin, which round off our top 10 list. These coins offer unique propositions, with Cardano's focus on sustainability and Toncoin's promise of high-speed transactions. Their performance over the past week indicates a promising future for these emerging players. What's interesting to note is the role that global events and market sentiments play in these movements. The anticipation of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speech, for instance, has likely had an impact on the market. The crypto market, like any other, is sensitive to macroeconomic factors and investor sentiment, making it both exciting and unpredictable. As we can see, the crypto market is highly dynamic, with several factors influencing its volatility. Now let's shift our focus to the stock market. Over the past week, we've seen some interesting movements in several key markets, especially following the recent Federal Reserve speech. Starting with the Nasdaq, we've seen a slight uptick. Traders have been keeping a close eye on the tech-heavy index, as they awaited Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speech. The anticipation led to a cautious optimism, nudging the index higher. Next, let's look at gold. Traditionally seen as a safe haven during times of economic uncertainty, gold has maintained a steady performance. Despite the Fed's commitment to fighting inflation through interest rate hikes, investors' faith in gold remains unshaken. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, a key indicator of the overall health of the U.S. economy, edged higher as well. Investors were looking for guidance on the state of the U.S. economy and the potential path of monetary policy. Powell's remarks were expected to impact the stock market, and they did, albeit not drastically. Finally, let's examine the CAC 40, France's benchmark stock market index. It has been relatively stable, showing that European markets are also closely watching the Fed's moves. The Federal Reserve's speech certainly had its effects. From the Nasdaq to gold, the Dow Jones, and the CAC 40, we've seen changes and trends that underscore the influence of global events and policy decisions on market performance. These trends show the interplay between global events, policy decisions, and market performance. In summary, this week has seen some fascinating movements in the world of finance. The top 10 cryptocurrencies, including giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum, have shown us just how dynamic and fast-paced the crypto market can be. Simultaneously, traditional markets such as the Nasdaq, gold, Dow Jones, and CAC 40 have responded in their own ways to the recent Fed speech. Gold price $23.10, Bitcoin back to $63.539, following by Ethereum $31.21. The key takeaway here is the importance of staying informed about these trends, as they directly influence our investment decisions. Remember, the more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complex world of investing. Until next time, keep a close eye on those markets.